I've always had a soft spot for donuts. There's something about the warmth, the sweetness, and the joy they bring that's simply irresistible, whether it's a classic glazed fillet or a powdered delight. I can never resist indulging in a good donut. They remind me of the simple pleasures in life, and when I sink my teeth into one, it's like a momentary escape from the challenges of the world. And the joy they bring, that's simply irresistible, whether it's a classic for donuts, for donuts. For donuts, for donuts. Fillet or powdered delight. For donuts, fillet or powdered delight.